Hello everyone, Abhishek here with another LeetCode solution. Today we'll look into LeetCode's problem number 406, queue reconstruction by height. The problem statement is as follows. Suppose you have a list of random people and they are standing in a queue. Each person is described by a pair of integers h and k, where h is the number of the height of the person and k is the number of people in front of this person who have a height greater than or equal to h. Okay, write an algorithm to reconstruct the queue. Alright, so we'll be given a list of people where their height is mentioned and the number of people who are standing in front of them who have a height greater than or equal to them will be given, and we have to restructure this list so that it meets both of these criteria, and we have to create a queue like so. So as you can see in the example, this is the random list of people and this is the reconstructed queue according to the height and the number of people who, according to the criteria mentioned in the problem statement. So let's look at the code now. I think one way we can solve this is we can sort the given random list of people. Okay, let's look at the code. Maybe then it will be easier to understand. So at first we'll sort the list, the given list using a lambda function as key. Lambda functions are anonymous functions that you can use inline. They don't need a name or a function declaration and all. So we'll sort the first element in descending order and the second element, that is k, in ascending order. Okay, then we'll declare a output list or queue, whatever you want to say, and then we'll just iterate over the list of people, the sorted list of people, and then we'll insert the elements one by one. We'll use the second element as the index and the value itself as the tuple or the list itself as the operand, second operand, and then we'll return the output. So let's try to run this. Okay, it runs. So a little bit more explanation is due because it's not that easy, simple problem maybe. So the problem statement, it clearly mentions that the given list is random. All we have to do is we have to reconstruct it in a way that it meets these criteria. So for doing that, we have at first sorted the number of the people by their height in a descending order, so that the people with the greatest height appear at the end of the list, and then we have sorted their k values in ascending order. So in this way, the k values, they themselves become the index of a certain element, and those with index 0, when we insert them, they are naturally placed at their correct location due to x0 being sorted in the correct, in descending order. So I hope this was clear enough. Let's hit submit. Yeah, it works. So the code will be in the description, and see you in the next one. Bye.